Hi everyone, I'm Smileypeacefun and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a very special follow me around series. I cannot believe that I'm going to say this, but I'm going to San Diego / Los Angeles, literally right now. Last year I've been to New York, which was already like my dream city. I've always wanted to visit, and now I got the chance to go to LA. So many YouTubers that I watch are living there. It seems to be such a free-spirited city. I'm very intrigued. These are all tickets of activities I'm going to do. I really worked hard, especially the last few months, to make this journey possible. I'm gonna split this video series, so there will be a video about San Diego, there will be probably a video about Los Angeles. I'm gonna go to San Diego first, where I will meet Steve from the YouTube channel Sprice Machines. I met him when I was in Turkey. He does a lot of very cool chain reactions. That's basically what he's doing for a living, which is absolutely insane, by the way, but I love it. I can't wait to meet him again. He even lets me stay at his house for the first few days, which is so nice. And so let's go to the airport, let's fly.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Good morning everybody, it's the second day. Yesterday I arrived at the actual airport. Things just went so fast, including baggage drop-off, including passport control. It took me 15 minutes because everything's so automatic right now. It's crazy. I had a 12.5-hour flight. I watched 6 movies on the airplane. The different time zone is really weird because here in San Diego it's morning and in Switzerland it's like almost evening right now. And today we're gonna go to the beach, let it be a spontaneous day, and yeah, let's see what the day will bring.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated.
Good morning, it's the beginning of day 3. Yesterday was day 2. For me, like, the San Diego area feels like the place to be because it's supposed to be not as like busy as LA, but you still have like everything here. You have the nice weather, you have the mountains, you have the ocean, and you have literally every store, restaurant or fast food chain you could imagine. So for today the plan is to actually build a little Domino / chain reaction project, and yeah, let's see what today's day will be like.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. If I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up.
Good morning, it's the beginning of day 4 if I'm correct. And yesterday we did an awesome Domino collaboration. It ended up being really cool and we were really time efficient because we did a whole 1-day project while basically sleeping in, and in the evening we even got to go to play mini golf at a very cool amusement park thingy, which looked so American, so cheesy, but it was really fun. And today we're gonna go to the zoo, which is probably the most expensive zoo I've ever been to, but I have high hopes. I'm taking my camera with me and let's hope to see some awesome animals.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh.
Good morning, it's day 5. Yesterday we went to the zoo in San Diego. First of all, this zoo is huge. They literally had a ski lift that literally went from the one side of the zoo to the other side. We took the whole day to even just see everything, but very, very cool. We went to a kind of a marketplace, which was cool because there were so many food corners in one big hall and you could pick whatever you want. Today we're gonna have it a little bit more relaxed because Steve needs to do some work, so I'm gonna clean up our Domino project we did. Then we're probably gonna go to one of those huge malls that are here in San Diego or in America. So let's go and tackle on today.
Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Good morning. Time flies by so fast. Yesterday we went shopping and I got this checker printed clothes, and we also went to Cheesecake Factory, which was a big adventure. I loved the cheesecake, was the best part of it all. And we wanted to go to see the sunset at the beach, but we shopped for so long that we actually kind of missed it. So we're gonna hopefully do that today. We also gonna do an escape room, which I'm really looking forward to it. And also we're hopefully going to a cat cafe, which is pretty cool because it's like a cafe, but there's also a lot of cats in there and you can pet them and at the same time have a drink, which is the best thing ever. So I'm really looking forward for today. Let's go.
Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Good morning, everybody. So we went to an escape room. It was called Steal and Escape, and it's in the San Diego area, and it was a ton of fun. I obviously did not film in there because you're not allowed to do that, but we had to be kind of spies and like find some sort of a bomb device, and we did it with like 10 seconds left from our 1 hour clock. We went to a cat cafe in San Diego downtown, which was so lovely. You basically pay an entry fee and then you get a free drink with it, and you can spend time with dozens of so adorable cats. It was just a very humbling experience, I would say. Then we went to La Jolla, something like that. I pronounce it totally wrong, but it's basically a beach where you can see sea lions, and we went there and it was really crowded. It seemed to be a very touristic place. We basically went there to see the sunset, and the sunset was really beautiful. Like, you not get the opportunity to see a sunset at a beach like every day, or at least I do not have the opportunity. And for today we're planning on going to a farmer's market. It's called Hillcrest Market. I have literally no expectations, which is always a good thing because hopefully I will get surprised by it. Let's see what this day will bring.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend.
Good morning. Yesterday should have been like day 7, so today will be day 8. Yesterday we went to the Hillcrest Market, which is a weekly market that has tons of local food options. The food was so amazing. And then we went to Target because I've probably never been to Target before. It was just cool to see like a typical American supermarket. And then we also got Pizza Hut, which I just love, the stuffed crust with the cheese in it. It was absolutely amazing. And today we're going to SeaWorld. I know there's a lot of conspiracy or drama going on with SeaWorld. Allegedly, there are documentaries about SeaWorld that supposedly show that animals at SeaWorld are not like treated correctly. I want to see for myself. So I'm gonna go to SeaWorld with like no hate to begin with, and I hope we will have a fun day. So let's go.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Good morning! Yesterday was day 8, today is day 9. So yesterday we went to SeaWorld. I don't want to get into like all the drama that is surrounding SeaWorld. Also I have to say I thought it's like a lot of animals and a little bit of other attractions, but it was actually the opposite way. It was like a lot of attractions and a little bit of animals. I loved the Pets Rules show. We also took a look into Sea Rescue, which is like SeaWorld's rescue organizations that picks up animals in need at the beach and like help them and then get them out in the wilderness again. We had like the all VIP experience, which meant we had like free dinner all day long, we had free souvenir photos, and we had quick queue or like fast passes whenever possible. And today I'm currently doing my laundry. Be surprised what I'm gonna do today because I even don't know yet. So let's go.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Good morning, it's the last day for me here in San Diego. It was an absolutely amazing time. Thank you, Steve, so much that I was allowed to be here at your apartment. I've seen so many beautiful places. The good news is I'm not going home. We're going to Los Angeles. How LA will be like you will see in the next video. So stay tuned and I hope you liked this video. Hopefully see you next time. I'm Smileypeacefun. Bye!